Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy sublimation tumbler. First, you'll need a few things. I went ahead and printed off my sublimated images and grabbed my 20-ounce sublimation tumbler with flat edges. This isn't necessary, but it helps with ghosting. You'll also need some heat tape, and I got this dispenser from Amazon. You'll also need some scissors to trim up your images or cut your tape, and lastly, your heat gloves. And this is optional, but I use my weeding tool to peel back the tape once I'm finished. So let's get started. I'm just going to go in and trim up my images as close to the edge as possible. And I'm going to do the same for this one. Once your images are finished, you're going to want to go ahead and flip that over and put a piece of tape along the edge of the paper. For the edges, I like to use the thicker tape, which is 20 millimeters. Once you're finished taping, take the image and place it on top of the tumbler and wrap it around as tight as possible. Next, we're going to take several smaller pieces of tape and run them across this line. You can use as many or as few pieces as you need, just whatever you're comfortable with. This is what it should look like once you're finished. Now we run a piece of tape along the seam and around the top and the bottom of the tumbler. And here you'll see me run my finger along the seam just to get out any air. Now we're going to move to the best part, the heat press. I press each side of my tumbler at 365 degrees for 30 seconds each. I start by pressing it tape side up, and then I flip it around and do tape side down. Once that's finished, I go ahead and I press the top and the bottom of the tumbler again just to prevent any ghosting. And now we're going to go ahead and unwrap our tumbler. With this method, your seam line is going to be almost undetectable. And as you can see, there's barely any ink left behind on the paper. The paper I use is Crafting Besties. I will put the link in the description bar. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.